Yo, what's good? Tenken Gadgets here. Welcome back to the video. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my video. Today I have something special for you. Paul George PS5 sneakers. Let's get to it. Alright, so I got the sneaker right here in the box. And not much of a Paul George fan anyway. Not that the guy plays well in the playoffs anyway. As a matter of fact, he kind of turned it up this year, but that didn't amount to much, did it? PlayStation 5 Paul George sneakers. Box looking all clean and stuff. I gotta say, I'm not much of a sneakerhead, but I have a decent amount of sneakers, and I decided to go Paul George because I think it'll rhyme with my PS5. So, unboxing, let's see what is in the box. So I got this from StockX, by the way, and I have a couple of letters saying, "Welcome, StockX is the live global marketplace for authentic products of current culture. We empower millions of customers to buy and sell what blah blah blah, whatever." This is a receipt of what it is: Nike PS5 PlayStation White. Hold on. Condition, pricing, and all that. Throw that to the side. Look at that shoe right there. Wow, let's put this one aside. Okay, so what is this? It's an extra StockX, always verify authentic. Okay, whatever. I think StockX sometimes don't really get shoes correctly authenticated. I've seen issues where customers talk about, oh, the shoe is not the actual version. Throw this away. Okay, so these are the PlayStation 5 PG shoes. Let's look at the bottom of the shoe. Bottom of the shoe, kind of has the logo engraved into the shoe. And then what is this here? I don't know what that is. Does it light up? I don't even know what that is. It looks like some kid shit. But the sole of the shoe feels nice, honestly. As far as the looks of the shoe, I'll say the shoe looks, it's not a good looking shoe, to be honest. It has good colorways, don't get me wrong. The colorways are nice, but oh, these are extra laces. Hold on, I need to take this off. Give me a second. Can I pull this out of here? What is this? Oh, so this is StockX verified authentic. You see that? So hold on a second. Let me open this. Throw this out there. Cover paper. Throw this away. So the idea is the shoe is supposed to actually be like a PS5 shoe type stuff, but from what I can see here, it's just a regular shoe. It's not Jordans, it's not LeBron, it's not kCDEZ. Then you have a PS5 logo on there, PS5 emblem, if I may say that. I don't even know, on there. Nike. What else? PS5. PG5. Kind of like in the PS5 font format, right there. Also Air. So these are Nike Airs, PS5, PG5, PS5, and then you have PlayStation logo right there on the tongue of the shoe. I will try this out though. I'm not interested in having this shoe for added to my collection. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this shoe away. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it away. By the way, you don't have to subscribe. I don't need. It's not a subscribe giveaway thing. I really don't care. But I will do it. I will give this shoe away. I'm gonna give it away. I'm not gonna keep it because I am not interested in a PS5 shoe, and I feel like it just come to my spirit. My spirit is just telling me to give this shoe away. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it away. Leather texture here, and then what is this? Is this mesh? I don't know. This is leather, and the sole of the shoe. The interior. This shoe might be good for. Honestly, Paul George is not the guy that you just wear Paul George's like around town and stuff, or wear it to a basketball game. Like, no one cares, bruh. For all I know, Paul George hasn't proven himself yet in the playoffs. That's it. Anyway, guys, this is a shoe unboxing video of the Paul George sneakers. I'm gonna give this away. By the way, it's not a subscribe or comment or anything. I'm just giving it away. I might give it to someone that I know. So I'm just saying. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. This is our size 11s because I wear 10 and a half, 11. I wear size 10, 10 and a half, 11, 11.5. So it's crazy. Yeah, I know it's crazy, but yeah, I'm gonna give this away. So I will figure out who or when I'm gonna give this out. But if it's something that's gonna be a subscribe thing, I will leave a comment and I will talk about it on Twitter. So if you don't follow me on Twitter, check my Twitter out, Tenken __. And if I'm gonna give this away to someone strange, to a stranger, or to any of my subscribers or anything, I will talk about it. I will say something on my Twitter. So that's it. So anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on post notification, and don't forget to hit that like button at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm your boy Tenken Gadgets. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace.